Tension in the Middle East and West Asia have escalated dramatically. Iran has now drawn both the UK and France deeper into the conflict while Hezbollah has officially entered the war. The number of countries involved has reported risen to 15. From Lebanon, rockets and missiles are being launched Dubai and Israel. Hezbollah is said to possess around 40,000 missiles. Iran has reportedly targeted British bases in Cyprus and French air facilities in Abu Dhabi. Meanwhile, former US President Donald Trump wa- warned that war could drag on up till the end of the March. He suggested then even American casualty not deter continued involvement. Iran claims over 15 American fatalities, while the Pentagon has confirmed only 3. At around a.m., Irani reported fired four cruise missiles at the U.S. Abraham Lincoln aircraft carrier position about 815 miles away. The carrier later moved to Dubai, the Southeast Arabian Sea. Four B-2 bombers flew non-stop for 36 hours from Mississippi and reportedly dropped 2,200-pound bombs inside Iran. Israel cities faced Iranian missile strikes throughout the night. Dubai and Bahrain were also reportedly targeted. There are indications that the US-led coalition be running low on communication backchain diplomatic tasks are said to have quality begun. Washington has shown interest in talks with Iranians new leadership. Higher Iran's new supreme leader has previously worked in Lebanon and maintains close ties with Hezbollah, making negotiation difficult. Iran is the believed to have in missile to station strikes through March. Some analysts speculate that it could even develop a nuclear weapon with that time frame, something Ayatollah Khamenei never refused to complete. Hypersonic missile may be reserved for the final phase of the conflict. The US-led coalition appears focused on eliminating Iranian missile batteries, with regime change effect report, reportedly failing. Iran's look east policy has also weakened amid limited commitment from Russia and China. This is seen as a lesson for countries like India. Nation security ultimately depends on self-reliance. The Pentagon remains largely silent as conflicts reportedly return to America. The greater casualty, the greater the pressure on Trump, whose approval rating is said to have dropped to 38%. Pressure is also mounting on Israel Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu. If the Strait of Hormuz close again after 25 years, markets could face severe turmoil upon opening. Political pressure is built in India as well. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has not issued statement recording Ayatollah Ali Khamenei. March is shaping up to be month for major geopolitical shift.